plunge today. First time doing it in the rain, as you can see.
Freezing.
Yeah. Actually looking forward to it though, because I've never actually been inside the water with it raining in my life. Not even in a swimming pool or in the sea, so
Quite nice.
it should be quite nice today. Nice early morning.
Yeah.
Show them the setup.
We've done our little camp. So you got this umbrella covering the bags and the stuff, and then this one's like floating one, just so we can just stand here and dry after.
It's cold today.
Stop flexing.
Sorry, man. I think I'm gonna get a cold if I don't get in now. So I'm really like not ready to get in, but because Johan's filming and he's halfway in the river and getting cold, I'm gonna just have to rush the getting in process. All right, guys?
So,
all right.
chill.
Ah, fuck. Oh. Minutes 33 in. I'm used to it now, to be fair. And actually with the rain it's quite relaxing, but what I was saying to my brother off camera was that the simplicity of it is nice. So when you come here in the morning, there's one thing you have to overcome. That's getting in the cold water. And once you've done that, you feel like you can conquer the world and do anything for the rest of the day. So why not do it, you know? It's all in your mind. It's all in your mind. You've got to slow down your breathing, calm yourself down. And then it's actually alright, it's not too bad. Let me show them the time. I'll let you get ready. Give me the phone. So Johan's getting in now. I did, if you can see there, yeah, 5 minutes, 19 seconds. I'm gonna go into our little shelter whilst Johan gets ready. 3, 2, 1.
Peace, cheese. Now we sit here.
Three, 2, 1, up you get, son. Cold?
Nice.
Alright guys, so cold plunge is complete. I was going to film going home, but it's raining and I don't want to damage my phone. But more to the point, what I've learned from doing these cold plunges is, you know, if anyone's struggling with anything in life, whether that be physical, mental being psychological obviously, you know, I think the cold plunge is great because it takes you back to the basics. And that's what I was saying before, is you go back to the basics. You get in there, you have to control your breathing, and you realize when you get in there a couple of times that it's all mental. And once you realize it's all mental, the pain goes away. There is no pain. You focus on your breathing, you're calm, and it's actually very enjoyable. But what I've learned is, if you translate that to normal life, a lot of the problems that you have, a lot of the pain you feel, a lot of those bad things that you think are happening to you are because of yourself and your mentality. And if you can control your mentality like you do in the water here when you cold plunge, you might not have as many problems as you think. I am working, so I've got 2-3 hours of work I'm gonna do. I think today we have a leg session planned in the gym and a run that me and my brother are gonna do. We'll probably be running around 6-7 kilometers, and then unfortunately today is leg day, so legs and running at the same time. It's not a good mix, but we're gonna do it anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna time lapse me working so you guys can see what I'm doing, and then yeah, join me for the gym session afterwards. Now, what the? Do it again. Go. Now, how the fuck does he get so low? Hey man, I can't lie though. It's kind of sus that you can get so low. Matrix is everywhere. Are you okay?
Wait. Shoot all the Matrix.
Why'd you look so grumpy, mate? Oh, now he's ignoring me. Garfield, be nice. Alright, so we've got a 5 to 7k run now. Because of the bad weather, the trains are kind of shit today, so we can't get to where we want to go. So we're going to have to keep it local, which means we're going to be doing laps and laps of laps of the little town we live in. But we don't mind, we'll still do it. We're not aiming for a specific time. We're just trying to fucking run as much as possible. You good?
Yeah.
Alright, running done. Hairline gone. Hold this quick. It's choked. Running done. Feel good after that.
5k.
Cheeky 5k. Monk mode episode 2 is now finito. Done. Yeah, we've been doing this every day, but obviously I can't film a whole video and chop it up every day of the week, so, but
The series will go on for ages, really.
yeah, this series will go on for ages. We'll add some new stuff, new things, new challenges. And I think I'm going to do a couple more challenge videos on my channel as well, so.
Let me know, let us know in the comments what you want. And yeah, we'll do it. Let's go.